Oh.
Fractions.
Oh, anong tawag mo yung nasa taas ng line?
Numerator.
Sulat nga. Pakisulat. Yung sa baba, ang tawag?
Denominator.
Sulat. Denominator. Okay, very good.
Activity time. Write L on the line if the fraction is less than 1. G if the fraction is greater than 1. E if the fraction is equal to 1. 12 over 11. The answer is G.
Bakit G?
Because the numerator is greater than denominator.
Okay, next.
8 over 8. The answer is E.
Bakit?
Because the numerator and denominator is the same number.
Okay, next.
3 over 5. The answer is L.
Bakit?
Because the numerator is less than denominator.
Okay, next.
7 over 9. The answer is L.
Next.
22 over 5. The answer is G. 6 over 6. The answer is E.